Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add spelling tools on your uh, movie uh, MobiOffice app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this and click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on spell check settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on spelling tools, you just click on it here. So then here can you select here your spelling tools. So in this list, can you select it? That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.